so gorgeous out. I had to come out and do today's video outside. I want to talk with you guys for a second about recipes on Tubi, Food Freedom. This recipe guide is great. They have the videos. Have you watched them? Tell me, comment below right now, what's your favorite recipe? My point though is I want to talk to you guys a little bit about, oh my gosh, I don't have enough recipes. I need a recipe for everything. No, you don't. This guide is awesome. There's so much in here that you can utilize. It's an idea. If you've listened to a lot of the videos, even if you hate the entire recipe, watch the freaking video. Do you know how much great information she gives you that's adaptable to other things? And I'm going to give you an example right now. Overnight carrot cake, oats. Delicious, simple, prep ahead, ready to go. This doesn't have to be breakfast, remember? It can be your lunch, it could be dinner. Well, not the oats. Probably shouldn't do this for dinner because it's probably too carby, too FFCs, but breakfast or lunch maybe, especially depending on what you pair it up with. Get the idea, look it over, get the basics. I hate carrots, okay. Make it with strawberries, make it with blueberries. It doesn't have to be following the recipe to a T, and that is my point. These recipes are fantastic ideas. Same thing, you can look at almost any healthy recipe book. I had, for Christmas, I got Hungry Girls Clean and Healthy. So many great ideas, cauliflower stackers, cauliflower rice, so many great things if you need inspiration, but sometimes it's right here, right in front of you. This is another one, the Tempeh Veggie Bowl. I know some of you out here, I don't even know what tempeh is, and that sounds disgusting, and I'm never gonna eat it. Why? Because I was like that. I was like, I'm not vegan, I'm not even close, I'm not vegetarian, I eat meat. Guess what? A couple years back, I decided to try it. Now, I coat it in some spray, throw it in my air fryer, cut it up, it's these crunchy nuggets. I actually enjoy it. Take the concept, maybe be daring and actually try the tempeh. Huh? That's not a bad idea. Number two, tempeh, look at your food list. Tempeh is a protein. Swap the protein with any other protein on the list. Something you love. It could be chicken, it could be steak, it could be soup. I mean, there's so many things. Don't ignore the recipe because you don't like the specific one ingredient in there. There's so much you can do, so much you can tweak. That is definitely the point. Here's another good example. This is dinner for sure. Roasted salmon with maple Dijon cabbage rounds. Roasting, one of the simplest things you guys we can do for dinners. It is no muss, no fuss. And that's one of the things I do love. Her videos will share so many great tips because we're not about prepping for weeks on end and taking all this time consuming effort. We just want good food and we want it to be, veggies most and just delicious, but simple and easy because we all are busy. We all have lives and stuff to do. The roasting concept, the recipe is not about the salmon and the cabbage. It is about the method of roasting. It doesn't even have to be fish, or maybe if you don't care for salmon, it could be cod, it could be, there's any other type of fish, but it could also be other seafoods, it could be steak, it could be chicken. Well, I don't know if I would do steak, but chicken, I mean, there's so many ideas. It doesn't have to be cabbage, it could be cauliflower. It could be, oh my gosh, I've roasted asparagus, so delicious. So roasted just peppers and onions and sausage, like throw it in there, done. Just come back, check on it, toss it around, check on it. Realize that this is how we are now eating for our lifetime. So no, you don't have to just have the, specific, you can only eat these particular recipes, otherwise I'm never gonna be able to function. The whole point of food freedom is that we can be flexible with what we're eating and what we're snacking on our snacktionals, given what our taste buds, given what's in the fridge, the freezer, the pantry, or what's available, or we're dining out at a friend's. take the concept, tweak it. Pick the protein, pick the veg, pick the, swap out, pick the method, the cooking method, whether it's sauteing, it's air frying, it's roasting, it's microwaving. Do what works for you. Don't be bogged down that you don't have every freaking specific ingredient. It doesn't matter. We're talking concepts. Tweak it for you, tweak it for your family, tweak it for everybody, and enjoy, because that's what food freedom is all about.